In this video, we will learn how to multiply number in Excel. So let's start. This is my Excel sheet, and you can see here that I have a two column A and B. So here I'm going to multiply both the numbers. So I select the cell where you want to the multiplied amount. So I select the C2. Okay, then I press the is equal to. Then I select the A2, means A column and 2 number row. Then I use the multiply sign. So I use here the multiply sign. You can say that sign the asterisk also. Okay, then I select the B2 and then I press the enter key to get the multiply amount. So if you want to drag this below, just select the cell and just click on the corner point and drag below. Okay, and you can see the formula is automatically dragged below. And second way, I press here the control Z and just double click on the corner point of the cell. I just double click on here and you can see here the formula is automatically filled below cell also. So this is a basic knowledge of Excel. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.